Hello, my lovely viewers. Today, I just want to show you what I'm doing today. I want to do a display for my kids, and I've got here some Newton's second law of motion. Then this one is for wave speed. Some physics laws we are going to do display today. I'm not teaching today. I'm just showcasing some talents. Ohm's law. Then see what Einstein says. Equations are more important to me as a physicist. Equations are more important to me. I don't know about you, because politics is for the present, but an equation is something for eternity. Who said this? Einstein mass energy equation. So that's the display I'll be doing today. Then let me cut out for Newton's universal law of gravitation is part of my display. Then heat energy is also part of my display. Then I think I have like seven. So let's do it together. Watch me through the process as we decorate the entrance of my physics lab. I've got two boards to work on. Please hope you're going to help me. Let's do it together. This is my friend. She's the French teacher. She's going to help me work out some things. And you too, my viewer, let's do it together. Let's catch fun together as we work and catch fun. Wow, I'm done with my displays. You see, I did a wonderful job here. Please give me thumbs up, give me kudos. What did I do? Physicists and their contributions. Archimedes, you know his principle. When an object is totally or partially immersed in a fluid, it experiences enough thrust equal to the weight of the fluid displayed. Then this Galileo, these are Isaac Newton's, Michael Faraday, James Maxwell, that's Maxwell's equations, about Einstein, the Baba of physics, the Baba of physics. The more physicists we have, Ernest Rutherford, you know, planetary motion and all that. Then Niels Bohr. Hope you can remember this great man, Max Planck. When it comes to modern physics, this one na Baba too. Then Richard Feynman. Yes, those in advanced physics, I know you will tell more about this man. Then J.J. Thomson, and Maria Curie, the only lady among the men. Then I did Einstein's mass energy equation, then some physics laws. So that as my students are coming into the lab, this is just to prepare their mind on physics. We have Newton's universal law of gravitation, Ohm's law, Newton's second law of motion, wave speed, and then specific heat capacity. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Join All Digitech Academy. Like this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you in our tutorial videos that have started already for those writing JAMB, WAEC. Thank you.